Travels at EBM. Today I'm making bread. The ingredients you need is whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, water, and butter. 2 cups of whole wheat flour. And now 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I think I'll just have to put it in like this because this is already 2 cups. One teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Add 1/2 of butter. So that goes in here. So I'm actually using 2/2, and if I feel that's going to be better, so it'll look like this. Just with my hand, I'm just gonna form it into a kind of a dough, like this. So it's turning into something like this. I'm just gonna add in 2 cups of water. So gradually, I'm gonna add in some water, and I'm gonna mix with my hand, like this. A little bit more water, because remember, you don't want it to be too silky, but you want it to be kind of like forming into a dough. So you just need it like this. You could see I formed the dough and it's ready for its next step. So that is to leave this under with it under a tea towel for 15 minutes, which is the next step. Now put this under a tea towel for 15 minutes and let that rise up. See, the dough has just risen up, so now it's just time to take the dough in from the mixing bowl onto the baking pan. And it's almost time for the best part, the design. I'm gonna make some slits in here, like this. This design I've seen on a 5-minute craft, so I'm just gonna make the bread with a border design. So trying to do that. Trying to make the slits. And this is ready to be baked. Time to put the bread into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. This will be ready to eat in a while. The bread is almost done, just another few minutes, then it's ready to be taken out. I'm just going to take out the bread. And here it is. Is the super easy bread. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels at EBM. Watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.